Welcome to The Great Indoors, a brand new series by Global Air Supplies. In this series, we're going to be taking two complete beginner growers from seed all the way to harvest. Over the next few weeks, we're going to be building tents.
Fuck off. I'm too short for this.
We're going to be filling them with products.
Ah, bloody lights. Bosh.
What is she doing?
I'm literally fucking resting it on my head. I wish I had somebody to help me. Right. Soggy.
Jesus.
And soon, we're going to do the actual grow. I'll be joined by expert grower Ian Collins. He's got over 30 years of experience within this industry. He'll be growing in his own tent alongside our two contestants, and he'll be guiding them to get the best out of their grow. And even if you're an expert grower, there's always something new to learn.